We've come down to Derwent Water that is very high due to recent rain, and it's very misty, so we're looking for minimalistic images in the mist. Why not come with me and see what we can find? Well, good morning, and you find me out, I was going to say bright and early. It's not that bright, and it's not actually that early. The advantage of this time of year is that sunrise is not particularly early. Sunrise is due for about 8:30, and it's probably just gone a little past 8 o'clock. And so what we're planning on doing, well, we were planning on coming here yesterday to see how the lake was doing with all the rain we've had, but I had serious problems with the van yesterday, so the van is at the garage and probably may end up being scrapped, I'm not quite sure, so I'm on foot, so I'm coming down. Thought I'll get up early before I go off to the garage to see what's what. And we're coming down to the lake to Crow Park for sunrise. The idea is hopefully to get some sunrise images and then have a wander around, see what the lake's like in terms of levels, and see what else we can get. But I don't know whether you can see from in effect from this camera. I've come down here and yeah, it's very, very misty. So we might have a quick look at Crow Park, but then go down to the landing stages. I think it might be just too misty at Crow Park to get an image, but we can certainly have a wander around, see what we can find. So yeah, we'll catch up with you shortly. Right, well, as you'll have seen from the B-roll, I'm down now at the landing stages, and it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Don't know whether you can see there in front of me, that's one of the normal jetties, totally underwater, still as anything, covered in mist, and lots of reflections. I mean, the maybe a title for this video that sort of springs to mind is minimalism in the mist. It's stunning. I mean, you can't even see Derwent Island at the moment. So I've taken some handheld images which I may have already put up. I'm just going to wander around. I'm going to head towards Friar's Crag. But yeah, you can see the jetties here just underwater, etc. It's just fascinating. So yeah, we'll carry on with some handheld images, head to Friar's Crag, and see how we're doing time wise. So yeah, we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Right, well, we're back on the way to the house now. It's been an excellent morning. It's not what I was anticipating, I was hoping for a sunrise, but it's still very misty and we're well over an hour past sunrise now. So, but yeah, it's just phenomenal with the high water around the landing stages. It was just brilliant for minimalistic images. So yeah, and like at Friar's Crag, to get an image of the bench with just nothing behind because it's just thick mist. Yeah, I mean, hopefully it'll come out quite well in post-processing. It's going to be a fairly short video, this, because I haven't been out a huge amount of time, but need to get home and then get down to the garage to talk about the van and see what we're going to do about that. So yeah, and if you haven't already done so and you did enjoy the video, please click the thumbs up. It does help very, very much. And if you like what I'm doing, please consider subscribing, because that is great for the channel as well. So, but the thing I do appreciate the most is any comments. They do help me to judge what is working and not working on the channel, etc. So, but I suppose the question is what we're going to do next, and simple answer is I haven't got a clue. All depends on transport. If we decide that the van is just not worth repairing, we're going to be stuck a bit. So, I mean, one thing I've done the last couple of years is review the year and pick out my favourite image from each month, and done it across 2 videos, the first 6 months and then the latter 6 months. And obviously I can do that from home, don't need to go out to do that. So that's maybe something I'll do just to, just while I'm limited transport wise. And other than that, I'm a bit stumped at the moment. So yeah, so anyway, we'll walk rabbit on it much longer. I think we'll just say we'll see you on the next video.